Let me come on the next problem of time and work. It's related to efficiency. Suppose A is thrice efficient than B, and A can complete their work in 20 days. Then how many days B will take to complete that work? This is related to efficiency. Suppose A is thrice efficient and B is 1. That means if A can complete three work in 1 day, then B will complete one work in 1 day. Same as it's inversely proportional to work. Efficiency inversely proportional to time. If A will take 1 day to complete that work, B will take 3 days to complete that work. So number of day to complete work 1/3, that is A, and 1/1, that is B. That means 1/3 days will take A to complete that work, and 1/1 day will take B to complete that work. So 3, 1:3, 1:3. That is the time taken by A and B to complete that work. A will take 1 day to complete that work, and B will take 3 days to complete that work. Suppose A can complete in 20 days, that means B will take three more time to complete that work compared to A. So A equal to 20 days, then B will take 20:3 equal to 60 days to complete that work.